everyone, welcome to my channel Mother's World with Deepa. And today I'm going to show you how you can massage your baby step by step. In this video, I have shown how I massage my baby, and the full tutorial I have shown, like from head massage to face massage and everything. So please do watch the full video and let's get started.
So to start the massage with, I have taken extra virgin coconut oil in this bowl. We'll start the massage with the feet first. Take little oil and apply gentle pressure using your thumb in an upward direction from heel to toe, just in this manner. Very gently. And now make small circles with your thumb from heel to toe again, just in this manner. Make sure you do not apply more pressure on any part of your baby's body. And now we'll repeat the same process with the other foot too. Massaging from heel to toe gently and in small circles. After the feet are done, we'll now be massaging the legs. Hold baby's one leg with your hand, and with the other hand start massaging in an upward stroke from foot to thigh, just like this. Make sure you put oil in the gaps also, else they may be left dry and cracky. So it's very much necessary. Please do not try to massage your baby just before or after a meal or when she is tired, else she will not enjoy the massage. And now with the thumbs, put gentle pressure and massage in this manner in an upward direction. Also make sure that the room in which you're massaging your baby is comfortable enough, the temperature is comfortable enough. It's not too cold in case it's a winter season. And now again the same process with this leg too. Putting oil in the gaps first and then massaging very gently. And again we'll repeat the same process with both the thumbs, making small circles. Your baby is going to love this. Just in this manner. Okay, after the legs are done, we'll just put very little oil near the neck area, which is almost kind of covered. So very delicate area, so make sure you are very gentle enough. And now after this we'll be massaging the arms. Massage baby's arms by stroking from shoulder down towards the wrist, just in this way. Make sure you put oil in the armpit area too, which often gets ignored. So, and now with put oil in between the gaps of the fingers, and with both the thumbs we'll be doing the similar thing that we did while massaging the legs. For this arm too, we'll be doing the same thing, putting oil, and in the armpit area too. With gentle strokes, putting oil in between the fingers, and in the palm. Stroking from shoulder down towards the wrist. Making small circles with your fingers. Okay, try not to get oil on baby's hands. If you do, wipe her fingers clean before she sucks them, because babies do have this habit. So just remove the extra oil. Now for the chest area, for the chest, place both your hands on baby's chest, just in this manner, and stroke outward, just like this, as if you're flattening pages, or like making a heart shape, just like this, in an outward direction. And now tummy massage, which is very important. Put some oil on her tummy and place both your palms just like this, moving in a circular motion, clockwise motion. There are some techniques that could help the baby to relieve gas. Now in this second technique, I am stroking downwards on the abdomen, alternating the hands. And this is the third one, in which I am massaging in a circular manner, because just the way the digestive tract flows. Make sure you massage away from the navel area, moving in a circular motion, and making small circles again in clockwise direction. So these are some of the techniques that can help your baby in case she is having gas issues. Now there are some exercises that I do for my baby. Some of those I've shown in this video, like this. Bending the knees like this can relieve baby of colic pain, as it will put gentle pressure on baby's stomach to release any trapped wind in her stomach. So very gently. And with the hands, just in and out. Okay, now the back massage. Turn your baby onto her tummy and use long, smooth strokes with your fingers from head to hip. Make sure your fingernails are short and do not hurt your baby's delicate skin. Just in this manner. Babies spend most of their time on their back, so this massage is really helpful and also gives them a tummy time. Very gently. I have made a video on how your babies roll when they roll, so you can just go and check that. We'll be doing the head massage now, using your fingertips to massage your baby's head very gently. Make sure you do not put pressure or on the soft parts, and also do not massage the soft parts. With the fingertips, very gently. Very gently with the fingertips. And now for the face massage. Use finger pads to massage baby's face. Stroke from middle of baby's forehead down to the chin. Just in this way. Gently massaging the eyebrows. That's it. And a little bit of oil on the surfaces of baby's ears, on the back part of the ear. Massaging in circular motion. Now what I do is I always wipe out the extra oil that is there. From all over her body. So that's all for today. In case you like this video, you find it beneficial and informative, please do subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. Thank you.